Here I got this Panasonic model SB-AFC80. I want to take it apart for you to show you what's inside it. Straight 30 watts RMS. I doubt it though, but I think it actually might be though. This is the center channel. That's so nice. You can get the shit out of the way of that. It's ported, by the way. It's very protected, much better than the other fuse I took apart. The girl's like covering this whole speaker. It's stuck on there. So to get the driver out, it's glued. So I don't recommend taking this off. But here's what the driver looks like. It's actually the nicest out of the other like sets I took apart. So yep, this is it.